How to use base method of speed max, that we are going to see now. Now the question is 97 is to be multiplied by 95. Since both the numbers are near 100, base of 100 is to be fixed. Write down the numbers as displayed here, 97 and 95. Now deduct the base figure of 100 from 97 and write down the answer of minus 3 as displayed here. Similarly, deduct the base figure of 100 from 95 and write the number of the answer of minus 5 as displayed here. Now you have to multiply minus 3 and minus 5. The result is plus 15. So write down that plus 15 below 3 and 5. Now you have to add 97 with minus 5, that is cross add. So 97 with minus 5, the result is 92. Similarly, you have to add 95 with minus 3 and the result of 95 plus minus 3 is equal to 92. So both of them are giving the same result, 92. Now 9215 is the answer for this question, 97 into 95. Now we will see another example. Question is 91 is to be multiplied by 98. Hence you have to fix the base number as 100. Write down 91 and 98 as displayed here. Then deduct the base figure of 100 from 91 and put the answer of minus 9 as displayed here. Similarly, deduct the base figure of 100 from 98 and put the answer of minus 2 as displayed here. Now we have to multiply minus 9 and minus 2. The result is positive 18, that is plus 18. Positive figure of 18, that is plus 18. Now we have to cross add, that is 91 with minus 2 and 98 with minus 9. 91 when added with minus 2 is 89. Similarly, 98 when added with minus 9 is equal to 89. Thus, both the figures will always be the same. Now, we have to put the figure of 89 below 91 and 98. Thus, the answer is 8918. 8918 is the answer of multiplication of 91 into 98. Now, the next question is 104 is to be multiplied by 107. Since both are near 100, put the base as 100 and write down the numbers of 104 and 107 as displayed here. Now deduct the base figure of 100 from 104 and write the answer of 4 here. Likewise, deduct the base number of 100 from 107 and write the answer of plus 7 as displayed here. Now we have to multiply 4 and 7 and the answer comes to 28. Write the answer of 28 below 7. Now we have to cross add 104 with 7 and 107 with 4. Now 104 plus 7 is equal to 111. Similarly, 107 plus 4 is also equal to 111. Always both of them will be the same figure. Now write down that 111 below 107 as displayed here and the answer is 11128, 11,128. Now we will see the next question. Question is multiplication of 105 and 102. Base figure is 100 and write down 105 and 102 as displayed here. Then deduct the base figure of 100 from 105 and put the answer of 5 as displayed here. Similarly, deduct the base figure of 100 from 102 and put the answer of 2 as displayed here. Now we have to multiply 5 and 2. Both are positive numbers only. Now 5 is to be multiplied with 2 and the answer is 10. You write down that 10 below 2 as displayed here. Now we have to cross add 105 and 2. Similarly, we have also to cross add 102 with 5. Now 105 plus 2 comes to 107. Similarly, 102 plus 5 also comes to 107. It will always be the same. So put that 107 below 102 as displayed here. Now the answer is 10710. That is 105 multiplied by 102 is equal to 10710. Now the question is 95 is to be multiplied by 104. As usual, the base will be 100 and 95 and 104 are to be written here as displayed here. Now deduct the base figure of 100 from 95 and put the answer of -5 here. Similarly, deduct the base figure of 100 from 104 and put the answer of 4 here. Now we have to multiply -5 and +4. -5 and +4. The answer is -20. This -20 we have to write below 4. Now we have to cross add. When 95 is added with 4, the answer is 99. Similarly, when -5 is added with 104, the answer is 99. So both will always be the same. Now we have to write 99 below 104. So far we have seen only the positive number here, that is remainder. Multiplication of remainders was only positive figure. This time the remainder multiplication figure is minus. Then in such cases the procedure is little different. That is 99 we cannot directly deduct -20 from 99 because the value of 99 is not 99. It is 9,900. How to find the value in such cases? If the base is 100, then in such cases we have to add 2 zeros with 99. In this case, since the base is 100, we have to add 2 zeros to 99, hence the value is 9,900. If the base is 1000 and still the value is 99, in that case we have to add 3 digits with 99. So in that case it will be 99,000. But in our case, in this problem, it is only base is only 100. Hence we have to add only 2 zeros to 99. That means 99 will become 9,900. From that 9,900 we have to deduct 20 since it is a minus figure. So from 9,900 when we deduct 20, the answer is 9,880. Now the question is how to multiply 103 and 92 using this base method. Base is 100 and write down 103 and 92. Then deduct the base figure of 100 from 103 and write the answer of 3 as displayed here. Then deduct the base figure of 100 from 92 and write the answer of minus 8 here. Now we have to multiply 3 and minus 8 and the answer will be minus 24. Since one figure is minus and one figure is plus, the answer will be in minus, so minus 24 will be the answer. You write down that minus 24 here. Now you cross add 103 and minus 8, similarly 92 and 3. So 103 minus 8 comes to 95. Similarly 92 plus 3 also comes to 95. So we have to write 95 below 92. Here also again we are facing the same problem of minus figure of 24. Here also, since the base is 100, we have to add 2 zeros. When we deduct 24 from 9500, the answer is 9476. This is the answer of 103 multiplied by 92. Now we are going to see practice questions.